Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. So today we're actually gonna be installing brand new taillights. Damn, someone just ran over something. Anyways, so we're gonna be installing brand new taillights for my brother's Civic Si, bro. So I'll show you the previous ones he had. Well, he always got aftermarket ones already, but he got a new set. And they somewhat look like mine, but I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all. He got brand new Spec-D taillights. It's crazy because this is the clear lens, but if he got the tinted lens, it kind of looked like that with the Subi and everything. So it's kind of tough and everything like that, but kind of already got a little bit started, trunk and all that stuff like that. But I just wanted to prep it because it's kind of late at night. We got work tomorrow morning. So trying to rush this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all on the tripod, somewhat in-depthly video of how to install it, but mostly just the wiring harness and the third brake light. But I'm gonna set y'all up and let's get started on it. I just start off with, we got two 8mm right there. You got two 10mm, I'm pretty sure, right there. But that's just for this two bolts for that light, and these two are for these. I'll show y'all, like I'll show you right now actually. Here are the old tail lights that he had. Pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie, but he wanted the white bar like your boy, so it's cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna set y'all on the tripod and get this started. Damn, look at that shit, bro. It's tough. You gotta take that dark tint off of that so it match, the third brake light will match that. Yeah, kind of tough actually, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Here's that before for y'all right there. Still clean, but I low-key prefer these ones more, I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, pretty much like I said before, two 8mm, two 10s right there. And then I'll run you through this one. We're gonna install that other side first to get it all started, and I'll show you the features after. I bet this shit is on. We got everything working. I'm not gonna lie, the phone shut off because it got a little too cold outside. So I can tell the turn signal is tough. I took the tint off, so now these are both white. Let me turn the brightness up so y'all can see. Both white, look super clean, just like mine, but it's not as tinted, but it's cool. So now let's get y'all up and get y'all on this side. Probably won't get as good as the angle, but y'all get the whole purpose. And we're gonna show you how to install this. All right, so with the new taillights, this plug and this plug are from the stock ones. Yeah, these from the stock one. We already had another one. We put those on the old taillights over there. Okay, there's another plug that's also from the stock one that plugs into this, and this is for if I believe this is the turn. No, this is turn signal. This is for the reverse. This is braking, and this one should be DRL. Speaking of which, it should be. Let me see it. Flip it over. Is this middle plug right here? And just twist it off. Take it off from the connection right here. Then for the top portion, unplug this right here. There should be a 10mm screw. If I can get this light for y'all right there. Y'all see the light. I'm always focused on the wire for. Right on that light right there, 10mm. You need a deep socket for that one. After that, you should be able, also these two 10s right here. My fault. Sorry, this light is not focusing. But right there, you need two 10mm. You should be able to pop this top part of the trunk portion of the taillight out. All right, here's that new light and everything, obviously. But now it comes with a new connector for the taillight, but you gotta put this connector too. And I'll show y'all what this goes to in a bit. As of right now, you gotta put this back on so we can do the rest of the taillight install. All right, so this is fully in. This is the extending wire that will actually route to this, and this routes behind the liner into the rubber right here. This is dirty as shit. But the reason why we had these third brake lights actually working is because we would have to use the extended wire. I'm not seeing everyone do this, but we would plug it into, so I don't know how that happened actually, but we would get it and plug it into these connectors, which then would shove into the prongs of the tail light. How this fits. This reverse, tail light, turn signal, DRL, and this is braking and negative. So that's how we got those to work. So now we gotta fish the extended wire that connects to the tail light, which I don't even know what it does to be honest, but through here, from behind here, and it would route up to this, and it connects to this right here. So let's go ahead and set you all up and do that. All right, so got this connected, routes through. Also, I'll connect this to this later, but I got push through right there, do that rubber grommet, which then goes right here. And this is the lot fine because this is connected right here too. Then they will just pull it out a little bit more. We did that last time. These should be fine, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Then make sure everything goes to where. I'm gonna put you back on the tripod though. It's like 12, 17 outside, it's like 40 degrees, but like, look at that shit. Shit is so tough with the white bar bottom. Super clean. I had to help this guy out right here. He don't know what he's doing. Anyways, but I gotta end the video short. My phone's about to die, camera's about to die, everything, bro. So if y'all like the video, make sure to go down, hit like and subscribe, and hit those notifications. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video, and I'll see y'all later.